Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing materials and making the adhesive. Combine a repositionable glue with a small amount of water to reach a light tack, because too wet will soak the paper. Once mixed, you cut a stack to 3x 3 inches or your chosen size and align edges precisely with a ruler and clip. Make sure to test the adhesive on a scrap sheet so you know it peels cleanly. This saves rework later. You apply the adhesive with control, load a thin brush and paint a 0.5 to 1 millimeter band along the top edge of the aligned stack because a narrow strip gives sticking without tearing. Once done, clamp the stack firmly and let it set 30 to 60 minutes. Curing time varies with humidity and formula, so check tack periodically. After the adhesive cures, trim any uneven edges to keep the pad square and ready to use. You finish by testing and adjusting. Remove the clamp and peel a note to confirm it sticks and lifts cleanly, because balance is everything. 2 sticky rips, 2 weak flakes off. If it's overly adhesive, let the pad cure longer or use less glue next time. If it's weak, reapply a thin, even strip and recure. Finally, add a backing sheet or label the pad for storage. This keeps edges protected and ensures consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.